How to fix Cash App invalid card number. So if you're trying to link a card on Cash App but then it simply says Cash App's invalid card number, there could be a couple of reasons. First of all, double check your card information like your card number. Maybe you've typed the card number incorrectly, or the expiration date, the CVV, as well as the billing address. Make sure that they are matches the one associated with the card. You can also try to contact your bank or card issuer because there might be restrictions on your card preventing it from being used with Cash App, and your bank can clarify this as well. In-app support, you can also try to contact the support team from Cash App if that helps you, or you can also try to clear the cache files as well as the data by going to the I button, going to storage, clear cache, and you can also try to clear the data to see if that actually helps you solve the problem. And last but not the least, you can simply go to other options over there in order to be able to solve it. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.